In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Stripe using the 2025 Complete Guide. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, knowing how to add your products to Stripe is crucial for managing your online sales and ensuring smooth transactions. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the official Stripe dashboard. If you're not familiar with the exact URL, a simple search for Stripe dashboard will guide you there. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials to access all the features available to you. Now, once you're logged in and on the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll want to click on Product Catalog. This section is essentially where all your current products reside, and it's also where you can manage the details of each product individually. This is the hub for your inventory management within Stripe. After opening the product catalog, locate and click the Create Product button. This is the part where your products begin their journey into your Stripe account. It's an intuitive interface that allows you to input all necessary product details, ensuring that each product is correctly represented and ready for transactions. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter the product name. Think of this as how your product will be identified within your Stripe account and for any related transactions. It's important to ensure that the name is clear and correctly spelled to avoid any confusion later on. Following the product name, you'll need to type in the amount. This refers to the price at which the product will be sold and is crucial for your sales transactions. It's a straightforward entry, but remember that accuracy is key here to avoid any billing issues with your customers. Next, you'll set the currency your product will be sold in. Stripe supports multiple currencies, giving you the flexibility to sell globally if needed. Browse through the currency options and select the one that fits your business needs best. For this tutorial, we'll use USD, US dollar, which you can select from the drop-down menu. Finally, after ensuring all product details are correctly filled out, click on Add Product. This will officially add the product to your Stripe account, making it live and ready for transactions. Before finalizing, it's a good idea to double check all the information you've entered to prevent any errors. And there you have it, your product is now added to Stripe. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your product lineup and streamline your sales process on this robust platform. Remember, keeping your product details accurate and up to date is crucial for providing a seamless experience for you and your customers. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy selling!